Is that... Are we going to meet any bears or the... Yeah. Lots of these nasty things. Lots of brambles, snakes, crocodiles, lots of danger. Yeah. Funny insects. That's not working. No, look, the brambles are all look, there is. Get lost, you can eat berries. They are, very nice. Goodness too. Ow. I can build my little hut in here and escape reality. Just need a water supply. Yeah, just catch the rain. And eat berries and nettle soup and dandelion salad, like last night. Marion, what was her name? Marion Loxley.
Are you actually looking at what you're doing?
No. Robin Hood. Oh, it's muddy. Very muddy.
The byway, I think we did this byway many years ago, and it was really muddy all the way along, and it's a tiny little thing. It took us half a day to get along.
Half a day?
The youngest son, he fought for fun, a Charlie Chaplin pain, and wears a funny looking folder on his little brain. They're absolutely dotty, there's no doubt, and nicely when the family talks aloud. They all do the Charlie Chaplin walk. The Charlie Chaplin walk is all the talk. From London town to far New York, everybody's doing it. The girls go to see him every night, and they all think he's a treat. And the only thing they ever dream about the Charlie Chaplin feet. They all do the Charlie Chaplin walk. The Charlie Chaplin walk is all the talk. From London town to far New York, everybody's doing it. The girls go to see him every night, and they all think he's a freak.
So, we made it to Dode Church. We walked about, only about a mile and a half maybe, tops, maybe two. And it's this lovely Saxon church, and this is the old village of Dode. And it died out during the last plague, the Black Death. Yeah, but the church remained, and it was up for sale back in 1995, and I nearly bought it, but I didn't, and I really regret that now, because it's a lovely place, right in the heart of Kent. But it's a lovely walk, and it's so peaceful around here. There's nobody here apart from Alex and myself. But yeah, it has been bought. It's turned into a sort of retreat. You can have weddings here and things like that, bar mitzvahs, you know. Yeah, they're probably doing very well for themselves now. But yeah, lovely place, but we can't go in, sadly. Catch you later.
Things they ever dream about a jolly